Guys, it's Rachel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best tips and tricks to getting that beautiful bronze goddess glow. And I'm super excited about this video because it is in collaboration with Loving Tan, and I would seriously not be doing this video if I didn't love this company and really love their self-tanners. I have tried pretty much every self-tanner under the sun, from Jergens, Saint Tropez, Isle of Paradise, literally everything, and Loving Tan has been my favorite brand, so I am super excited about this collaboration. And I'm going to show you guys all of the different products that Loving Tan has, but also my very essential tips when self-tanning. So if you would like to see how to get a beautiful bronzed glow and my tips for you for self-tanning, then just keep on watching. So for the purpose of this video, I will just be showing you guys how to apply self-tanner and do everything with my leg. So the first thing that you want to do is grab your favorite scrub. Mine personally is the Ouai scrub for your skin, and you want to use something that lathers too and really gets the dead skin off. So I love using this every single time before I am going to self-tan. After I scrub, I always use an exfoliating mitt. So this one is from Loving Tan. It has a black side and it also has a pink side. So the pink side is a little bit less harsh than the black side is, but I love using the black side because I think it does wonders for your skin. So you basically just want to get this mitt wet and put some either scrub or just body wash on it and exfoliate your legs, and it gets all of your tan off. It removes like all of your extra tan. It's absolutely fantastic. So I would highly recommend this for your routine. It will definitely change the game. So once I'm done using the mitt, I always go in with my razor. And a razor is super important because you want to make sure that your skin is super smooth for the application of your mousse. So you're going to want to completely shave everywhere to make sure that you get a nice smooth application. I find that when I don't shave, it gets a little bit streaky and it's just not as easy to apply. So then the next step in my tanning routine would be to apply the mousse with the Deluxe Applicator Mitt. I actually have a tip for you guys. Once I apply the mousse, I always fold the glove in half so that it gets all over the glove, and this actually creates a thinner layer of the mousse to go onto your skin, so it's not as thick and does not streak. After I shave, this next tip that I have for you guys is so important. I can't stress this enough. So you want to get a lotion that has aloe vera in it, because it actually helps absorb the tanner even more, and it helps apply a tanner flawlessly to those hard spots on your skin. So this includes your hands, your knees, your feet, in between your fingers, just your elbows, like anywhere where it's rough skin, you want to make sure that you're applying a lotion. So I like to use just a basic one with aloe vera. I'm using a random one today, but you literally can get these anywhere for super cheap or on the more expensive side, whatever you would like. But it's really important to apply this to make sure that your tan is flawless and so that it doesn't turn orange or darken in those certain spots. So once I'm done applying the lotion, I like to use the Loving Tan Deluxe Applicator Mitt along with the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse or the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Mousse. Today I'm going to be using the 2 Hour Express since I am tanning in the morning and I want it to develop a little bit faster so that I can wear it throughout the day. But a quick tip that I have for you guys is to actually apply one pump to your glove and then fold the glove in half. So that the product can be more spread out and it can apply as a thinner layer. So this is really important too. I have found that it goes on a lot better when it's in a thinner layer. After I'm done putting the mousse all over my body, it is time to get those hard to reach areas again. So like I would go back and do your hands and your feet, and a trick that I like to use, this actually is not my trick. I don't want to like take it from anybody. I personally watched Julia Haven's video and saw her do this trick, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. So I've been using this trick for a while now, but it's taking a makeup brush. So I personally like to use a contour brush because it's angled and it's easier to get in the hard to reach places. Just put a pump of the mousse onto the angled brush, and then I start in on my feet and also my hands, because you want to make sure you get the tanner into the crevices of your fingers and also your toes and just around your ankles and everywhere, because the tanning mitt is not great at getting into those places. So that's something really helpful that I have found. I just wanted to mention 2 products that I haven't talked about yet in this video. So this is the Deluxe Gradual Tan Lotion from Loving Tan, and I really love this. It's a great lotion if you prefer a lotion to a mousse, so definitely recommend this. This is the Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream. I love putting this over my mousse actually, just to give my tan a little bit more of a glow. It's more of a lotion that you can put over your other tanning lotions and everything to just give you more of a glow. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure my coupon code will also be in the description below. It's Rachel Glow to get your free tanning mitt with a purchase of the mousse or the gradual tanning lotion. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button for more videos from me. I post once a week, so I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye guys!